Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a recipe, an in the kitchen video. It's a crockpot recipe and it is a 3-ingredient chili. So first off, you're going to need a pound of ground beef, some chili beans, whether they're mixed or just red beans, they need to be chili beans. You're going to need some diced tomatoes for this. I have the whole peeled tomatoes straight out of the cabinet. I'm just going to use what I have. I'm going to kind of crush these up myself. And an optional ingredient, depending on if you want to just leave it, you can just do these 3 ingredients, super easy, in your crock pot, and have a chunky chili. Or you can add a beef broth or water to yours to make a more soupy chili. And I prefer a more soupy chili, so I'm going to add beef broth. So this is an optional ingredient. This is going to make 4 servings. So if you want to double this, triple it, use a bigger crock and add the ingredients accordingly. You can also add several other things to this as well. And we're going to start by browning our ground beef. I've already sprayed my crock with non-stick cooking spray, which I always do. First, I'm going to actually add my tomatoes to this. You can add whatever ingredient you want to this first. But I want to show you what I'm going to do to the whole tomatoes. And I'm just going to take my masher and just kind of mash these up into pieces. After I have kind of mashed and diced up those tomatoes, add the ground beef. You want to brown this and drain it before doing this. Next up, I'm going to be adding my chili beans. Go ahead and mix all of that up, and you can leave it like this for a chunky chili, but like I said, I want more of a soupy chili, so I'm going to add my beef broth. Once this is all mixed up, you're ready to turn your crock on low and cook the chili for 4 hours. Here is what the chili looks like. And like I said, if you want a thicker, chunky chili, absolutely leave out the beef broth. And adding additional ingredients is always an option. So this smells delicious. I can't wait to give this a try, and I will let you know in the description box. And serve this up with some crackers, with some cheese, and it smells absolutely delicious. Perfect for these upcoming fall and winter days. I hope you guys enjoyed this in the kitchen recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more recipes.